Hi guys. Welcome in iDrawlix 2k18, the first app for Mac OS X, which make you experience the art of sewering. In this webinar we will see how to draw drainage areas. iDrawlix 2k18 allow the graphic description of a drainage area, according with a model that consider that such polygons starts and ends in a downstream manhole of a certain conduit, enclosing the same conduit. Once a conduit is drawn, it is always and anyways linked to certain non-graphic elements that stores all the informations needed by iDrawlix 2k18 in order to be able to execute stormwater runs. Pressing the menu command Drainage Areas, you can access to the Drainage Area Archive window. The list box Drainage Area List shows the drainage areas currently in archive. Please notice that non-graphic drainage areas are present in archive in the same number of the conduits. That's because they are linked one-to-one to such elements. Any item in the drainage area list take the same name of the corresponding conduit. The central gray panel concerns the informations necessary to define the overland flow time. Too small values of the overland flow time can give values of the rain intensity too high. For this reason, users can limit dangerous effects deriving from assuming the rain depth too high, imposing a minimum rainfall duration which can be set, 5, 10 or 15 minutes. Alternatively, some models such as the Italian Corvazione consider a non-calculated overland flow time, directly imposed by the engineer harmoniously with his own experience. The German model refers directly to the minimum rainfall duration. Through the Table 4 of page 18 of the DWA-A 118 rule, users can determine the shortest rainfall duration to assume, 5, 10 or 15 minutes, according with the average ground slope and the percentage of hardened surface of the drainage area. The right panel of the window represents two phenomena connected to each drainage area: equivalent population and daily mass flow of the current drainage area. Both informations are summarized by the window shown after the button Sources is pressed. Pressing such a button, user can access to the Sources window. In this window, user must fill in just the column units. Both the column daily volume and BOD5 will be auto-populated by iDrawlix 2k18. Thanks the standard values given in the sanitary model window, for each civil source of human activity into the given drainage area. The other topic summarized in the right panel of the drainage area window concerns the overall surface drained and the mean runoff coefficient computed by iDrawlix 2k18. Pressing the button Runoffs, user can access to the following window. In the current window, user must fill in just the columns CI and AI, for each land use category. First parameter represent the selected value of the runoff coefficient, while the second one concerns the total amount, for the given runoff category, of the elementary surface contributing to the current drainage area. To the 22 categories of ASCE, iDrawlix 2k18 adds the category user defined. Some models such as the Italian Corvazione and the German DWA-A 118, express the runoff coefficient through a unique parameter. For accomplish the Italian rational method, user can ignore all the AI in the window and then choose to valorize just the last row. Within the German method, instead, user must refer to the Table 6 of page 22 of the DWA-A 118 rule in order to get the right peak runoff coefficient, which is given as function of the degree of paving, the average ground slope and the standard rainfall, 15 minutes duration and 1 year as return period. Please notice that, if the checkbox Keep Runoff Areas linked to Land Use Map by default, of the model default parameter window is active, then the set of AI is automatically populated by iDrawlix 2k18, as the model is able to read and summarize the elementary areas contributing to each drainage area from the land use layer. The button Get allows the user to realign the values of AI with the current land use map. In order to save any change to the info concerning each single drainage area, user should not forget to press the button Modify. In order to draw a drainage area, click on the Graphics tool button and select the graphic drainage area object. Click on the downstream manhole of an existing conduit. Move and click the mouse on the next vertex of the polygon describing the graphic drainage area you are drawing. When on the vertex before of the last one, just double-click, and your graphic drainage area is created. Okay guys, our webinar with iDrawlix 2k18 is gone. Thanks for your precious attention. We will see soon, with the next iDrawlix 2k18 webinar. Visit us on iDrawlix.com.